Editing chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online can feel heavy during cleanup, reporting fixes, or account restructuring. If you need to update account names, change account subtypes, fix descriptions, or reorganize parent accounts, doing it one by one takes time and it is easy to miss something. In this video, I'll show you how to edit chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online using SaasAnt. You export the accounts to Excel, make the changes once, and update them back into QuickBooks. I will also show a faster live edit option for quick fixes on a few accounts.
To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. Now inside QuickBooks Online, go to Apps, search for SaasAnt, and install it. Approve the connection and you land SaasAnt Dashboard. After logging in and connecting your QuickBooks company, go to Download. On the Filter and Export page, choose Accounts from the drop-down. Next, set up your filters to pull only the accounts you want to change. Select your date type and set your date range. Choose Simple Mapping. Click Search to load the account records based on the filters you applied. Review the results, select the accounts you want to edit, and click Download. Choose CSV or XLSX and save the file. Open the downloaded file in Excel. Do not change the key reference columns and any internal identifiers. SaasAnt uses these to match the existing accounts. Update only the fields you want to change, such as name, account type, account subtype, account number, parent account, or description. For example, here I am editing the account subtype field for the selected account. Once you are finished, save the file after you finish your edits. After making the changes, go back to SaasAnt. Choose Modify from the dashboard and select Chart of Accounts as the transaction type. Upload the edited file. On the review screen, check that the columns in your file are mapped correctly to the QuickBooks fields, especially the fields you just edited. When everything looks correct, click Preview and then click Update QuickBooks to apply the changes to your accounts. To verify the results, switch back to your QuickBooks Online account and open the Chart of Accounts list. Confirm that the updated account details match what you changed in Excel. In this example, the account subtype has been updated successfully. If you only need to fix a few accounts quickly, you can use SaasAnt Live Edit. Then click Ready to Edit. You will see two ways to find what you want to edit. Edit by searching lets you filter and pull accounts using options like date type and date range. Edit by reference lets you pull specific accounts directly using their identifiers. For this example, I am choosing Edit by searching. Select Accounts from the drop-down, choose your date type and set the date range, then click Search. SaasAnt will load the matching accounts in a table. From here, you can click into any editable field you want to change. For example, here I am editing the account subtype field for the selected account. Once you are done, click Submit to push the changes back to QuickBooks Online. After the update is processed, open the Chart of Accounts list in QuickBooks and verify the change. That's how you can edit chart of accounts using Excel or quickly fix a few with Live Edit without opening each entry in QuickBooks Online. Try the free trial for your next cleanup or month-end review.